Welcome back, friends. This is a continuation of the first video I did titled Turning My Subscriber's Car into a 3D Print. If you would like to follow the process, you can find a link at the end of this video. Okay, let's get started. When printing this type of model, it's best to orient the model at a 45-degree angle. I have seen many prints online where they print flat and have a lot of ringing or steps on the roof of car model. This can be avoided by tilting the model 45 degrees or more if needed. Since this is a display piece, I will reduce infill. Most times I use gyrate infill to reduce chances of the print being tipped over. Going over to the supports tab, it is recommended you use tree supports as it is easier to clean up. Trust me on this one. In the other tab, let's give it a brim for added stability and bed plate adhesion. It's not necessary with PLA filament, but better safe than sorry. Okay, let's slice and see what the print is going to look like. I design a lot of random useful car stuff like this and release the STL files for free. If you're into that kind of thing, you might want to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Everything looks good here, let's send to print.